So by now we've bought an RV, we've done a shakedown, and our time in New Jersey is coming to an end. So what better way than to combine the end of 26 years and 12 moves with a retirement and a graduation? What could possibly go wrong? Hello and welcome back to Benny's Back Roads. This is our third episode where we actually are getting ready to hit the road. And this is really where it all came together. First and foremost, we had to do a move. Our last move in the Air Force. So after 26 years and 12 different moves all around the world, we're finally going to do one more move to get out. But it's not the same as all the other moves. Granted, it's another military move. They're going to take some of our stuff and put it into storage. But I also have to work with Tina and the boys to figure out what is going to go into the RV and can actually support what we're getting ready to do to be full-time for the next year. We had to pare down to about 2,500 to 3,000 pounds to figure out what would go into the RV for Tina, myself, and the boys to each have what we needed to support our fun over the next year. Quickly finding out that we don't have as much space as we thought we would have, even though this is a big old RV. So you can see where we got some of the clothes in, got some of the dishes already in, rolling through the Jenga puzzle to make it all work. So, wish us luck. Along the way, we were actually able to have final going away parties with our neighborhood, where we named our RV, which is where Roxy came into play, and then finally complete the move and head on over to where we ended up staying for the next few weeks until retirement and graduation time. We were able to share some of this time with our family when they all came in before retirement. So they saw where we were set up, living on base in the RV, which was really a good time for us to figure out how to arrange and rearrange the things inside the RV to best suit our style of living over the next year. And then came the big day for Tina and I when it really came down to retirement. And when I say Tina and I, it was really an entire family event. So obviously the retirement was for my 26 years in the Air Force, but it really signified all the support that Tina and the boys gave throughout the entire time too. It really set the stage for the next significant emotional event, and that was Declan's graduation from high school. So immediately, the day after I retired, Declan graduates high school. 2 high schools, playing soccer throughout the entire time, and being involved with all the different arts and making good grades throughout. We couldn't have been more proud to see Declan walk across that stage and receive his diploma. Really at the culmination of all these things, one thing we really understood and what we did next was that you have to decompress all the stress and go have a little fun. So we headed over to America's first playground, and still one of New Jersey's best playgrounds, and that is Cape May, where we enjoyed sun and sand with all of our family before we actually hit the road. So thanks again for seeing everything. I'll leave you with some of these views from Cape May around and about. Please don't forget to hit subscribe and like, and then hit the bell for notification whenever our next video comes out. We'll see you next week.